luck. Here we go. Choice. Prizm. Oh, and we got a tiger stripe. Good luck. Isaiah Jackson. Evan Mobley. Wow, not bad. Penmanship, Evan Mobley. /88. Jason Tatum. Choice. Jamal Murray. Greg Brown. Jaren Jackson. And a Jackson is 78/88. And very nice Bradley Beal Tiger Stripe. And here's the second one. Love, Davion Mitchell, Justin Smith, number 61/88. John Collins, Kevin Durant, Cade Cunningham. Oh, nice one there. Cade Cunningham Tiger Stripe. Choice. Kuminga out of 88. Oh, very nice. Cade Cunningham 1/1. There you go. AG. Congratulations and way to keep going. Cade Cunningham 1/1. Sam, get ready to tweet. Congrats, man. Yeah, Nebula.